All right, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 8. All right, so we want to identify the position function, velocity, acceleration, and jerk. All right, so you can see that if you take the derivative of the position function, you get velocity. If you take derivative of velocity function, you get the acceleration. If you take the derivative of the acceleration, you're gonna get jerk, right? So we just have to, pay attention to the relationship between the original function and its derivative. All right, so let's start with, you can kind of start with anything you want. All right, so maybe I'm going to start with A. All right, so you have A here. All right, so if you're looking for the derivative of A, you look at the places where you would have a horizontal tangent line. Right, so here A would have a horizontal tangent line here, so you would have something that would go through the t-axis, but none of them is going to go through there. So which means that A does not have any derivative. So I have a feeling that A is going to be the jerk. So the very bottom one, right? So we can kind of start backward there, right? So then here, if so A would have a function so that the A is the derivative of that function, right? So you look at the A becomes 0, which means that it hits the t-axis there, right? Then which one has the horizontal tangent line at that point? Right, so you can see that the B has a horizontal tangent line at that point. So which means that the B has to be the acceleration, right? And then we do the same thing. So B would hit the 0 at this point right here. Who would become has a horizontal tangent line? So it looks like a C would have that. So we're going to have a C here. Right? And a C doesn't hit 0, so the function is always increasing, and you can see that here, this D is the increasing function. So this is going to be D, right? All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.